In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your Wix Studio site using the mini player. Start by signing in and opening the Wix Studio website where you want the audio to appear. Click Edit or Edit Site to launch the Wix Studio editor. Once the editor loads, navigate to the exact page where you want the audio, like your home page, a services page, or a specific blog post. It helps to decide ahead of time where the player should live so it feels natural in your layout. Next, we'll add the mini player element. In the top left corner, click the plus icon to open the add panel. Choose media, then look for the mini players category. These are compact audio controls that fit nicely into most designs. Click and drag a mini player onto your page canvas and drop it where you want it. You can place it inside a section, beneath a block of text, or near relevant content so visitors immediately understand what they're about to hear. Take a moment to align it with your grid and adjust spacing so it looks balanced. With the mini player selected, click Change Track. You have two options. If the audio file is on your computer, choose Upload File. Click Upload, select your audio. Formats like MP3 or M4A work well, and Wix will add it to your media library. If your audio is hosted elsewhere, choose the Paste URL option and add a direct, publicly accessible link, such as a direct MP3 URL. Give it a moment to finish uploading or fetching the link and confirm that the track title appears in the editor so you know it's connected correctly. Clear file names make it easier to spot later. Now let's test it. Click Preview, the eye icon, to see how the mini player behaves on desktop and mobile. Tap play briefly to confirm the audio works. If something doesn't sound right, return to the editor and double check the track connection. Adjust the player's size and position by dragging its edges or using the panel controls, and make sure the controls are easy to see against your background. When you're happy, click Publish in the top right corner to make the audio live. Keep in mind that most browsers block autoplay, so plan your layout so visitors are encouraged to press play. Smaller, well-compressed audio files will help your pages load faster and keep the experience smooth. And always use audio you have the legal right to share. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.